So listen, the business model called no-code software as a service is by far one of the most profitable and scalable online business models that any beginner or aspiring entrepreneur could start right now today and truly give them a shot at scaling their first multiple five-figure per month online business and achieve whatever financial goals that you have for yourself in a short period of time. Now, if you've never heard of no-code software and you're like, hey, I know nothing about technology, nothing about software, trust me, 90+% of entrepreneurs who start this business model and actually succeed with it were in the exact same boat as I was just 3 years ago. Now, the reason as to why is because you used to have to either know how to code yourself or pay a software engineer / developer to actually build, own, and sell your very own live and active software solution. Paying a software developer could cost you tens, if not hundreds and thousands of dollars to actually get a software product fully built. But if you want to be honest, it still made a lot of sense because when it comes to learning how to start your very own software business and selling a software product online, once you have a software application fully built just one time, there's no shipping, there's no inventory, and you don't have to pay employees to actually scale a software solution out. You can basically just sell access to your software an infinite number of times, and for every single user you get on your software, they could be paying you numbers like 50, 100, 300, 500, 800. I even have software products where business owners / consumers are paying me literally $1,000 plus per month to have access to some of my solutions. But the thing is, due to recent innovative technologies that we all have access to, that gap has been completely bridged for anybody to start their very own software business online without having to go through any of those barriers of entry. You see, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use no-code software builders to truly copy and paste multi-million, even $100 million software companies, same features, same websites, in literally just a matter of a couple of days. There are many people who see the vision like this and say, hey, this is something that I've never seen before. This is something that I truly believe can be the engine of a business model to actually help me live my dream life and truly increase their day-to-day happiness due to the benefits of what this business model can actually do for them. My name is Kevin. I've been doing this for years. I have a 100% free course / community with hour-long walkthroughs and step-by-step tutorials showing you exactly how to execute this business model as soon as possible. And I've also been on calls with hundreds of guys and girls in that course to truly give them the actionable steps they need due to their unique life situation on executing this. So if you do find this video valuable, make sure that you like and subscribe, as I'll be posting videos on this every single day. It is much more extensive than you may think still.